by shore, but it feels pretty good.
Really?
Yeah. Oh. Kind of tempting.
So how was your day?
Warm. Super warm. But it went by pretty fast, I would say.
Yeah.
But yeah, had to like go back and forth being outside and in the truck in the AC because it was so warm. What's that?
A fish just jumped right there.
What? Okay, yeah, we're gonna go fishing later when the boys get back. And hopefully we'll get some big fish. Do we have like good hooks and stuff?
Yeah, my grandpa gave Chucky.
Oh yeah.
Look at them all.
Wow.
Some good hooks. And we have 2 fishing rods in our trailer and they both have 2 fishing rods.
Damn.
We have a small boat though.
Yeah. Maybe it's enough with 2.
Yeah. And it's just so quiet and like relaxing out right now. It's so pretty.
See that? Yeah, it is. It's a little chipmunk. See it?
Yeah. It's so cute.
We're having hot dogs for dinner tonight.
Cheddar Smokies, actually.
So you wouldn't call that a hot dog?
No.
It's a sausage.
There's a difference
Isn't it?
between hot dog and a smoky.
Oh yes.
Like smokies have like, they taste way different than hot dogs. Hot dogs are just like chewed up ground meat.
Left. That's the what's left.
Yeah.
Mm. Like the
Chicken
smaller,
beats,
thinner ones.
Chicken.
Here we go. Oh, I got smoke in my eyes.
Yeah, sure.
Hey!
I'm just bugging.
Oh, she got you.
I'm feeling pressure.
You nicked it. You just keep pulling the trigger.
There it is. Oh! Nice.
Sharp shooter.
I was going 3 for 3!
Not made up for the first.
Hey guys, it's Tuesday after work and it was so hot today. The truck said it was like 43 degrees.
I think it was wrong though.
But like from sitting there.
Yeah. Yeah. Another warm day. And now we're back at camp. We were debating if we should go into the water or what we should do. Chuck and Joe. What?
It's just funny. I said,
What?
Chuck and Joe. Chicken Joe.
Are trying to get the motor on the boat going.
Last night we went out there for like 45 minutes. The 4 of us crammed in the boat and it didn't start. So we had to paddle our way back into shore. But the boys seem to think that it's going to start today for some reason, so we'll see. But if not, maybe we'll go for a swim.
Yeah, because it's so warm, it would be nice to cool off a little bit. Oh.
It's not sounding so good.
No. Nope, no engine going.
So, we're out trying to catch a fish. We've been here for 4 weeks and we've only caught 1 fish. But we thought we would come out and explore the island because our motor shit at the pants.
Yeah, so gotta do it with our own muscles. Should I reel the rods in?
I think we should sit here and cast.
Yeah. Hey.
Fishing. Well, there's no fish in this lake, I don't think.
There's only one that you got.
No Fish Lake. And it's really expensive. It is what it
On the tow road after there, Chuck. Okay.
Hi everyone. It is the 3rd day at work this week. It's Wednesday. We are currently sitting here on the tote road waiting to dump some big rocks out from the rock truck.
It has been a long week of rock trucking and first aiding, but we can finally like see the end of the job.
Yeah.
Like we're so close that it's like now the morale has picked up a bit. At first it was like just a period of like, oh, are we done yet? Are we done yet? Are we getting close? And now it's like we're almost there.
Yeah.
So that's really nice.
And if like nothing unexpected happens today, I feel like
We could,
we're done.
yeah.
Yeah.
Not done everything, but done like the road building part, and that's what's been taking the longest. So
Yeah. I don't know if you can see too. Monday, first day when we got up here, a horsefly, in Sweden we call them broms, took a bite of my
Oh
cheek.
yeah, like,
Oh, gotta go.
can I dump it here?
This is how it is working as a rock trucker. You have your lunch quick in between your loads. You're getting loaded,
oh yeah.
right?
Yep. No breaks around here, so cheers.
Yeah, it went missing. I had it on my words for it. You said not fucking likely.
Hey guys, after work hours, got the boys here going for a bit of a 4x4 and ran into a tree.
Yeah, a little bit of an obstacle here.
You got anything bigger?
No worries though, we'll move it.
Cause your hooks.
This is the road we're driving a truck down, and it's very grown in, extremely grown in, And here we are.
It was fun though. Hopefully we can make it up there. Did you tell them where we're trying to go?
No.
We're trying to go to a mine that's supposed to be up here. I don't know how far. They think 19 or like 20 something kilometers. So yeah, we'll see.
If we can get this tree out of the
Yeah,
way.
how do you want to try to get the tree here?
A little bit more. Good. No beer in this.
And that's how you move a tree out.
What would we do without these boys?
We ran into a major problem. Look at this. The road completely washed out. So that's as far as we go.
Yeah. So it seems like no mine today.
No mine exploring today. Look at this.
What is that? It's like shiny. Keep looking.
We should bring this rock home.
You pack it. What?
I know, and I got gloves on.
You got lots of new stuff, eh?
I did. I got paper plates too.
So what? They brought all this down from the mine? And what is all this here now?
Wow.
This is all just samples?
Yeah.
Thousands of people.
That's so cool. We're in the truck. It is Thursday afternoon. And
5:30.
that's afternoon, right?
I'd say afternoons between like 12 and 3.
Oh, so this is evening?
Yeah, this is
Okay. It's Thursday evening. And we're on our way home. The job is not like finished, but so far, or how do you say, like it's finished to the point where we don't have to be here anymore.
Yeah.
Which is super awesome because we thought we would be working here tomorrow too.
Originally we thought we were going to be up here until September 30th.
Yeah.
So this is even more awesome.
So we get to go home and have a nice shower and sleep in our own bed tonight, which is so awesome.
We got about 2 more hours of driving until we're home on this dirt road. It's extremely dusty, but we're so excited to go home.
Yeah, makes the drive a lot easier. And it's pretty. You probably can't tell because the windshield's so dirty and dusty, but it's pretty. There it is. Now we're just gonna get a little side table for this part here.
Hey guys, Saturday chore day. We mowed the lawn, fixing the sprinkler boxes. My dad just brought over the pressure washer.
Yeah, so what are we doing here?
We need to pressure wash all this dirt off the fence so we can stain it. Watch how satisfying this is. Might take us a while.
Yeah. And we have to get a weed whacker to get all the weeds along the fence too before we do the whole. But yeah, we gotta do the whole fence around here, inside and outside, so it's gonna take us a while.
We should definitely go get that other pressure washer.
Yeah.
And the weed whacker.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's pause production.
Okay.
Did you get a picture of this?
Morning. Today we are staining our fence. Last weekend we pressure washed it to get some dirt off, and this weekend we're painting it or staining it. And it's like an oil-based stain, so we have to have some protection on because it's a bit toxic. And Allie's out here now doing that. It looks pretty good though. We tried to do this layer yesterday, and yeah, it looks pretty good. And we're also babysitting Tika today. Hi! Hi, Tika! Oh, you're such a good girl.
Hey guys, landscaper Al and Jay here.
Oh,
We're gonna-
should we get our microphones?
We're gonna start to level out our backyard. It's very uneven from like that windowsill to the bottom of the steps to like where the bottom of the fence is, which you can see here. There's like a big gap underneath. So we've already moved our box that the chairs are in over there. We've leveled it out, but now we're trying to pull the material back to like make it all level. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but
Maybe if we bring it closer, we could. So maybe you can see that it's like, yeah, it's very uneven here. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but we're gonna try to make it a little bit better. Yeah, at least you can see it here, how it comes down a lot here. So we've done a little bit of shoveling and raking, and over here it's so hard and annoying because there's rocks everywhere, and some of them are pretty big, I would say. but we're trying to dig out a little bit, but at the same time keep a little slope. Like Ali said, she's been doing this as a job, right?
Yeah.
Landscaping.
Unfortunately.
What?
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately. Yeah, that's good because you know some stuff. So we want to level it out a little bit, but we can't make it too level either, because then when it rains the water's not like running away. How do you think it's going?
I'm sweating.
Yeah, me too. It's warm.
The summer that I landscaped, I was in such good shape because I was just doing this all day.
Yeah.
Shoveling all day. I don't have it anymore.
That's fine. I think you're doing a good job.
Thank you.
So yeah, we're digging this hole here, so when the water comes down here, it'll come down in this hole and we're gonna fill it out with rocks, because how we had it so far, we dug a little ditch here so the water could run down, but now we're gonna dig a hole here, fill it with rocks. But I dug down and saw some creature. What is it? Do you know what it is, Ali?
No, I don't know what it is.
Looks a little bit scary. Look at that. Ew. And as you can see, there's a lot of rocks. But we're gonna keep the rocks so we can put them back and make it a really nice hole down there. Looks good. Good job.
You too.
Water break. Or I guess Coke break. Oh. Okay. These are all the rocks. Or like the bigger rocks that we found. There's still some rocks that we found that's like under all this gravel here, but yeah, we found some big boulders down here. But it's getting like, it looks good. Looks really good. Just have a little bump in the middle, kinda, right? That we have to even out a little bit. But other than that, good job.
I bet you that pavers, like for patio stones, probably on sale right now because it's like not the right season for it.
Yeah, should check that out.
Yeah.
Get ready for spring when we can build it.
Yeah.
And kinda finished. It looks a bit rough and dirty right now, but so we dig a hole down here, fill it up with rocks so it will drain when the water comes down the pipe here. So I guess we'll see these upcoming days when it's gonna rain a little bit how well it works.
Works pretty good.
Nice. So it's Sunday, it's 6:30 in the afternoon, evening, and we were bored on the couch, and Ali suggested that we should go to Spahats Falls.
Just for a little walk.
Yeah, and now we're here. And that's what's so crazy, like living here. How far was it? 10 minutes away from our house?
Not even 5.
Yeah. So now we're here at the falls.
The new platform.
Yeah,
I haven't seen the new platform yet.
let's go see it.
Wow. See, look, this used to be a path out here.
Oh.
That was the old path. This is really different.
Yeah.
It's probably because the water's coming out like from here somewhere.
Yeah.
They deactivated it, I guess. New trail. Come on. Hi guys. We're at the new platform and it's really scary.
Yeah, it is. It's I don't think camera is giving it justice, but it's so high. It's so scary, but it's so pretty.
Yeah, usually you can see down this whole valley, like there's like a big mountain range back there, but there's a forest fire like just on that side of the mountain. So all that white smoke over there is like
From the fire.
from the fire that's pretty close.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll have to bring you back up here another time when it's not so smoky so you can see the mountain range back there.
Yeah. Well, just seeing it like this is pretty cool, so I can imagine.